If Matthew 6:33 was a person, it would be me. No cap, I can't sing at all. But guess what? These markets can sing these profits to my bank account. Holla at your boy. You did. We back up in this thing. You know what I'm talking about? So I traded Euro.Jpy. Now, y'all about to get a influx of videos every single day, almost. Close to every day, every other day. Until I knock them all out, because I got so many already pre-recorded. So guess what? Y'all about to get this work. So I'm going to show you how I made this bread. Then we're going to get straight into the video. Lego.
The Wealthy Empire Network.
Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Jeremy Cash, live and direct with another valuable video for you. Y'all know I got to give a shout out to Jesus Christ. He the way, the truth, and the life, and he didn't help me get to where I'm supposed to be. Give him glory, honor, and praise this evening. You did. This is where we at with it. But look, man, I placed these trades, man. I do this to show y'all what's possible, you know, with smaller accounts, larger accounts, however we got to do it. We're going to make sure it happens. Make sure you thumbs this video all the way up for the YouTube algorithm. We do the thumbs up so the videos can get shared all around the earth. You know what I'm saying? For everybody out there, you know, that's struggling, they need some extra money here and there to make sure they can make ends meet and do their thing. You know what I'm saying? On their own dime, not on somebody else's. So that's what it's all about, man. Legacy building. You know what I'm saying? Wealth building, generational wealth, all that. But today, like I said, we're going to go over Euro.Jpy, how we did that thing. And guess what, bro? It's lit. Let's go. What's good, y'all? So look, I'm in this trade. Is this Euro.Jpy, right? So if you go to the weekly, you already know how I feel. You can probably already see why I'm in this trade. If you look down here at this RSI on the weekly, I told you that weekly is powerful, right? I mean, this one you might have to hold a little while, but it's gonna be worth it. So we're gonna go ahead and mark that weekly up, you know. So right now, this is what we're looking like on the weekly. I'm expecting a nice drop or a nice pullback, something that looked like this almost. This candle right here, right? And once that happens, man, we'll be in some good profits. But right now, if you want to get a better look at it, you can always go to the M5 and just see where it's at. But if you can see, it's in heavy consolidation right now. All right, heavy consolidation. So it's just been bouncing around in this zone. Eventually, like I said, I don't know if it's gonna try to come back up here, but eventually I'm expecting some kind of bounce and a nice drop in the future. I told y'all, anytime that weekly RSI gets that high, man, the likelihood of you getting a nice drop. And we can also look to the left. Look to the left and see what happened at these zones. First zone, bounced in that same area, dropped, right? Came back up to that same area, dropped again. And just kept dropping, right? So I'm expecting the same thing to happen over here, right? I'm expecting a nice drop. But, you know, worst case scenario, the only other two places it could go would be, well, yeah, this zone right here, you can see the wicks. And then this one up here at the top. But that will be weeks and weeks and weeks from now, which I doubt. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to hold this and we're going to see what it do. Also, quick update. The market's starting to give me a little drop. As you can see, I start getting in on multiple positions. Draw down by 200. You know, it's giving me a little drop, bouncing off this 8. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to see, man. You know, I just needed to give me that drop I deserve, but it might take a while. Like I said, that weekly is high, but that don't mean, you know, it's going to drop right away. But it's high enough for me to know, all right, you know, it's a good position to get in. Because if I get any type of retrace down in here, then it's golden. So, you know, see, some of them starting to try to go in profit. You see that? Yeah, back and forth. So that's what we're going to be dealing with for a little bit. But until then, you know what I'm saying? I'll be back when it do what it do. All right. So, quick update. So right now, the market is starting to go in my favor a little bit. We've been in and out of profit, but you can see these two right here, you know what I'm saying, have been doing fairly well. If we look at it on the M15, you can kind of see where the market is making its turn. You know what I'm saying? It's starting to push. It's going to probably end up hitting off this 20 moving average and this zone, which is in the same spot. But if it breaks through that, then we should be in profit on all of them. Because my last trade is right here where the yellow line is. And then we might just take a quick scalp off that thing. You know what I'm saying? So far, looking pretty good though. It's giving us the drop we want. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, we gonna see, y'all. We gonna see, man. But like I told you, that weekly candle, man, it's powerful. It's powerful, what I tell y'all. I've been telling y'all, man. I hope y'all be listening to your boy. Hey, when it come to this trading, man, that RSI level is ridiculously powerful. You feel me? So yeah, man, y'all watching it though. And we're gonna see what it do, man, here in the next probably 30 minutes. You know, if you give me what I want before then, I'll be back. But see y'all in a bit. So give me what I need, y'all. Don't take long, man. Don't take long at all to get what you need out the deal. And so now we up about 300. I'll take another 300. I'm gonna take that. Like I said, I ain't greedy with it. 300 something a day is 6 figures, man. You already know the goal. You already know the goal, man. Boom. Now we out of that trade. All right, that's 290. I'll take it. It probably pulled back a little bit on me, but it's gonna keep dropping, and I know it. But that's 290. All right, now just keep adding to the pot, y'all, little by little. Keep adding to the pot. Like I said, you know, we got to go back to the 29th of April, man. I've just been running this account up ever since. We're almost at 5,000 profit. You know what I'm saying? Only L's I took on this account was down here. I took a little bit of L's on USD and a little one on NAD, or 2 on NAS, and 1 on so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I took eight losses. But look at all these profits, though. Look at all these blues, though, since that time. And all these are small amounts. You notice all these quick scalps? You see all that? All these is little by little, man. Like I said, I ain't the trader. I might not be the trader that's going to do 20, 30,000 every day, like some of these other traders do. But let me tell you, I'm that trader that's going to get you out your job. I'm that trader that'll show you how to turn 1,000 into 10 and turn 10 to 20, you know, over the course of maybe 2 months or, you know, 3-4 weeks. I'm that trader. You know what I'm saying? I'm that trader that's gonna make sure you get the house, that dream house that you want. Get your LLC set up and operate a business like that. That's me. You know what I'm saying? This is what it's about. All right, little by little. Don't let these people gas you up out here. You know what I'm saying? Little by little, man. It's all a process. But like I say, you either want it or you don't. But this is why I got in that trade. I told you. Like I said, I could have held this long term. I could have held this for like 2 weeks, honestly. This RSI is way too high. I'm just catching part of the candle that's pulling back. Y'all see this wick right here? That's all I caught was the wick. You know what I'm saying? Now, if it give me one of these right here, like this wick here, and go all the way down there to about in here, paid. But like I said, I'm not greedy. I'm gonna take my bread, and I know a little bit adds up. A little bit adds up. You just keep taking that little bit. Stop focusing on these other traders and on Instagram and all that, doing these crazy numbers, and just focus on what works for you. When I start trying to do what everybody else is doing, I start losing. But the moment I decided to just take little by little, just like the Bible tell you, man. I done already read that scripture in one of the videos. He who gathers little by little will increase it. I think that's in Proverbs, right? Just little by little. You don't got to do, you know, 40, 50,000 a day, you know, 30,000 a day. Hey, look at this. Let's go back to the 29. Let me show you to make you a believer. You know what I'm saying? I got to do this for my people though. But Pete, look, you got some pretty decent amounts, you know, cause I hold them some, but then look at these other amounts, man. 200, you know what I'm saying? 200 off 4 standards, 100, you know what I'm saying? And then you go down here, they get even smaller. $90, $80, $60, you know, $35, $20, 10, 16, like 9, 7. I'm taking everything. 3, you know what I'm saying? He one even got $0 on there. Try to close him out. You know what I'm saying? But look, little by little. You don't see, you know, 4,700 right here. Ain't nothing wrong with it if you can do it. Don't get me wrong. But some of y'all, you know, y'all gonna kill yourselves trying to do that. You don't see, you know, 3,700, 2,500, 1,500. Like, you don't see all of that. And if you can do it, like I said, that's great. But trying to push yourself to do that is gonna kill you every time. Take little by little. Easy money, man. Hopefully this inspired you. Keep going, keep trading. It's lit, man. That's all we do all day. Easy. All right, I'm gonna holler at y'all in another video. Peace. Just to show y'all where the market ended up dropping to so far, all the way right here, and it's still dropping. Ain't that crazy? What I told you about that weekly, man, I told you. That weekly lit. I got out somewhere up in there, but we caught some more drop. Could have been up by $1,000, but it's all good. We lit. Let's go.